Hello, this is Patron Statistical, and this is the second video in the ASX stock market game series. And in this video, I'll talk about a few problems I've discovered and give you an update as to where I am in the stock market game. So here is the JSON data from the Australian Stock Exchange. This is for Borrell Limited. Now, JSON stands for JavaScript Object Notation, and it is an open standard file format. So when you look at this as it is, it's very hard to read. However, the Firefox browser, Mozilla Firefox, has a JSON view. So if you click on that, here it is. I'll just make that bigger. And there is our data in a very neat, readable format. So here, when you store data, you use a data object, and then below that you've got each record. So it starts with 0, then 1, and so on. And then you have the actual data inside each record. So you can see we've got the ASX code, BLD for Borrell Limited. We've got the close date, close price, change price, volume, daily high price, daily low price, and a change in percent. Now, the first problem that you might notice is this is dated the 30th of April. But it's 1st of May here in Australia, and this has not yet been updated. I'd like to know which companies I should be buying the night before the stock exchange opens. But because the Australian Stock Exchange does not update this data in a timely fashion, I can't do that. So if you look at the NASDAQ market, when they're open, they're updating their data every minute, but 15 minutes delayed. And I can access that with Patron. And as soon as the market's closed at NASDAQ, I can download that data and then use it in Patron. But why can't I do that in the Australian Stock Exchange? There's no reason why they can't do that. They should be doing that so that investors have access to that data. Obviously, if you want real-time data, you've got to pay for it. That's fair enough. But they should be able to at least provide that sort of delayed data. To recap, yesterday I managed to get to $50,236. So on that first day's trade, I made $236.33 to be precise. So on the second day, 1st of May, I made $50,318.33 again. So I made a bit more than the first day, but not that much more. And I guess it's easier to make money when the market as a whole is going up, the index is going up. So I think, obviously, it's an easier time to make money than it is when it's in a bear market. So here's an example of a stock that I bought this morning, 1st of May. It's SG Fleet Group Limited. It's this one down the bottom here, SGF. Now, the amazing thing about this was how volatile it was. Like a moment before, this was at $0 in profit loss. Then in an instant, as soon as I refreshed, it was minus 110. So there is a lot of volatility that can happen in a second. So here are my transactions for the day. As you can see, I bought SGF, that was the SG Fleet Group Limited. I sold my health stocks, that's Healthscope Limited, and I also sold my Australian pharmaceutical industries as well. So that brings us to the end of this video. If you like, give me a thumbs up. If you dislike it, give me a thumbs down. And if you really like it, please subscribe to Python Statistical. Thank you for watching.